Today we talk about how to use the chime credit builder card. First, move money. There are two ways to move money into your credit builder secured account. One, Move My Pay is the optimal choice. With this feature, you can simply select the desired amount and it will be automatically transferred from your checking account to credit builder each time you receive a payment. 2. You can also choose to handle this process manually. Keep in mind that it will be your responsibility to transfer fundamental from your chime checking account to your credit builder secured account whenever you want to raise your available to spend limit. Second, spend money. 1. Make sure to keep track of your remaining balance and avoid carrying any outstanding balances. The amount of money you transfer to your secure account represented your available spending limit. You can even set up automatic payments for your monthly expenses using the fundamentals in your secure account. 2. Credit utilization is not reported when using Credit Builder, giving you the opportunity to improve your credit history without worrying about contributing to a high utilization record. By managing your secured account balance, you have control over how much you spend on Credit Builder. This means that you can use Credit Builder without the risk of damaging to your credit score.